Hi, this is Flash,
and this is our bathroom cabinet. This thing is called Fullen. They always have funny Swedish names. This is the bathroom cabinet, IKEA. Here are some warnings. Serious or fatal crushing injuries can occur from furniture tip over, blah blah blah. Warning, warning, warning. The warning is in text, in every language on earth. And here we come to the cartoon part. Yeehaw! You need some screwdrivers, a hammer, a pencil, and whatever that is. Oh no! Don't crush it! Ha ha! Makes me happy! What now? I called IKEA. They will help me. What is this? Fallen again. Screws, screws, screws. The wonderful world of screws. Seriously, I cannot believe that I was able to put it all together, but I did. Don't know how. Made over 100 pieces. Yeah. With force and skills. Flip it over. Add more pieces. And more. Blah blah blah. And more screws. Almost there. Page 20. Live life to the fullest with the Fullen bathroom cabinet. There it is. Bye bye for now. Flash.